Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to increase or decrease the app icon size on your Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet. Now, the first method to do this is to long press on an empty spot on your home screen. Then, select the settings icon at the bottom. In the home screen settings menu, tap on the home screen grid option. Here, select the grid size depending on whether you want to make app icon smaller or larger. Once you are satisfied, tap Done. Similarly, you can also change the app screen grid to make icon smaller or larger. There's also a better way to do this. First, use the link in the description to download this Good Lock app from the Galaxy Store. Once downloaded, open the app. Here, in the Makeup tab, find Home App and tap the download icon next to it. Wait for it to download and then open it. Now, allow the necessary permissions to the app. Then, enable this toggle. Now, tap on Home Screen. In this menu, scroll down to tap on App Icon Setting. Enable this toggle. Finally, you can use this slider to increase or decrease the app icon size as you like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.